Your AC might not be low on refrigerant because it's old. It could have a refrigerant leak. And somebody just adds more refrigerant without fixing the leak first. You could waste hundreds and even thousands of dollars. A refrigerant leak is one of the most common and most misunderstood AC problems homeowners deal with. Many people hear you just need more Freon, but refrigerant does not get used up like gasoline. Your AC is a sealed system. If it's low, there's a leak somewhere. Refrigerant is the chemical that carries heat out of your house. Without correct refrigerant level, your AC cannot cool properly. Low refrigerant makes the system work harder, run longer, and more electricity while cooling less. Here are the most common warning signs of a refrigerant leak. If your AC blows warm or slightly cool air, that's a major red flag. Ice foaming on the copper refrigerant line or evaporator coil is also a common sign. You may hear hissing or bubbling noises from the system. Many homeowners notice their AC runs non-stop, trying to keep up. And sometimes the house never quite reaches the thermostat setting. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make in paying for a refrigerant recharge after the refrigerant recharge without repairing the actual leak. If the leak is still there, the refrigerant will escape again. That means you keep paying for the same problem over and over. A proper repair includes leak detection first. A good technician should locate the leak, explain repair options, repair the problem if possible. Then recharge the system correctly. Leaks usually happen in a few common areas. The evaporator coil inside the house is one of the most common leak points. Leaks can also happen at brazed joints, service valves, or damaged refrigerant lines. In other systems, corrosion inside the coil can create tiny pinhole leaks over time. In 2026, the type of refrigerant your system uses matters a lot for the repair cost. R22 is also called Freon, is used in older systems. It has been phased out, so it's extremely expensive now. Sometimes repairing an R22 leak no longer makes financial sense. R410A is still a very common use in many homes today. Repairs are usually more affordable than R22 systems. Newer high-efficiency systems are starting to use R32 refrigerant. These systems are designed to meet newer environmental standards and improve efficiency. Before approving the repairs, homeowners should know exactly which refrigerant they're using. The repair cost depends on where the leak is and what refrigerant the system uses. Leak detection alone may cost a few $100s because it takes time and specialized equipment. Small repairs with refrigerant recharge might range from several hundred to several $1,000s. But the evaporator coil is leaking. Replacement costs can be much higher. The older R22 systems, refrigerant itself is often extremely expensive in 2026. If your AC is older, out of warranty, and leaking R22 refrigerant, replacing the system may actually save you money long term. A professional should compare repair costs versus replacement costs so you can make the right decision for your home. If your AC is running constantly, freezing up, or not cooling correctly, don't just keep adding refrigerant. Having the system properly inspected for leaks, a correct diagnosis can save you money, protect your compressor, and prevent a full breakdown during the summer heat. Contact Fuse Service for a professional AC leak detection, refrigerant repair, and honest system recommendations.